Alright, now all we got to do is just reapply the clamps. So I'm going to need to get my pliers.
These are the clamps that were taken off. See the clamps? Those are clamps. And he squeezes them together to make them come out. And he's going to put them on the ends. And on that end.
Now, clamps are very simple. All they do is squeeze. You just slide it on. And the same on the other side. Okay, now first off, we're going to connect the heater hose down here on the bottom.
Oh wow, do you see that antifreeze down there? You can see antifreeze.
Now, it's just a hose, so there's no technical stuff to it. All you're going to have to do is loosen the clamp, slide the hose on, make sure it's on there all the way, tighten the clamp, and it's on. And then you just do it to the other side. But the one thing that a lot of people don't think of at first is that you want the clamp to be able to be accessible the next time.
Very smart, Sherlock.
I don't think you can see it from there, but